Hello, I'm Tamara Wilson. I'm a registered nurse and a certified health coach. I specialize in helping women attract love through evidence-based strategies that work. When I would see Hani, there was just something about her. She's just like this spark that just lights up the place. And I was so happy when I actually had the opportunity to work more closely with Hani. She's so genuine. She's one of those people I feel just really comes from a place of love and service. And I've just seen that over and over again working with Hani, how she's so present and really is able to bring something to the forefront or bring something out of them that they might not, just something they didn't even recognize, but which leads to this, just amazing breakthrough